Cool, right? Yes, that was done by AI. Today, I am going to show you how you can make Will Smith eat spaghetti in 3 different ways. We are going to explore 3 different ways, so let's go. First of all, download an image from Google of Will Smith. Okay, now we are going to Hilo AI. Go to Create and then go to the Subject Reference. Click on Add Reference Character, and now upload the Will Smith image. Press Confirm. Now we will simply type eating spaghetti. I will generate it 5 times. The generation will take around 2 minutes. Here are the results. Let's explore method 2. Click on Text to Video, and now type Will Smith eating spaghetti. I will generate it 5 times as well. Here are the results. Okay, nice, but somehow he was still hesitant to actually eat the spaghetti. Haha. Maybe it was too hot for him. Okay, now we will try the last method. We will first have to generate an image of Will Smith eating spaghetti. So go, for example, to the free-to-use Leonardo AI. Add the prompt Will Smith eating spaghetti, and now generate it. This will take around 30 seconds. Okay, nice. I will also generate the same prompt in Midjourney, and also download the one I like most. Now go back to Hilo AI and press Image to Video. Now write the same prompt and upload the generated image. Amazing. Now download the results. Next, we are going to add it to CapCut and edit it some more. Go to YouTube and search for fitting sound effects like this slurping or eating sound effect. Add it to CapCut and you will have an amazing video. Export it in 4K when you are done. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Make Will Smith eat spaghetti the 2025 way and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never ever miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.